We are facing an era in which we have unprecedented opportunities to make step changes in the way we do business. In an increasingly uncertain and complex business world, all companies face problems of varying degrees of difficulty, but also an expanding range of choices for how they react to these. One promising path for the process industries is the journey to autonomous operations. Professor Gokhan Inilhan at Cranfield, a UK postgraduate university, says,
"The question is not whether systems will become autonomous. The question is, what will the level of autonomous decision-making be? In terms of academia and R&D, for learning-enabled autonomous systems, we will be close to human-level interaction by 2050. So that's the expectation right now, based on the current trends of growth of the solvable neural network sizes and the new trends of embedded computational power through things like neuromorphic computing, with which these enormous self-aware networks could be modeled and trained."
While the automation of process industries has reached a highly refined stage, the journey to autonomy will deliver a new level of benefits not only to plant operations and maintenance, but also optimization of energy usage and the entire supply chain. The change is happening slowly, but the pace will pick up rapidly with the advancement of enabling technologies such as wireless sensors, improved networking, cloud and edge computing, artificial intelligence, and robotics. James Morrison of NOV, a leading provider of resource development technology, says,
"There are a lot of investments in robotics to be able to avoid injuries, such as the use of image processing and robotic intervention to detect if humans are too close to safety hazards. The main driver of that investment is safety."
A new era for industrial automation. Industrial automation to industrial autonomy. A journey Yokogawa calls IA2IA. Yokogawa considers industrial autonomy to be when plant assets and operations have learning and adaptive capabilities that allow response with minimal human interaction, empowering operators to perform higher-level optimization tasks. From consulting to help identify and prioritize opportunities for improvement, through to the introduction of inspection robots, Yokogawa's IA2IA process leverages its vast expertise in the process industry. In order to achieve autonomy, it is necessary to develop digital maturity in stages based on increasingly sophisticated needs, and ensure the desired benefits are delivered at each step. The journey toward autonomy is like a long-distance race. It requires endurance to get there and support along the way. Peter Quaspin of Shell Global Solutions International BV says,
"The industry is in a perpetual chase to increase the level of autonomy with the end goal of truly autonomous operations. Over time and along the road, many improvements have been implemented, and new improvements are continuously identified to optimize process stability and achieve sustainable process conditions. But at the same time, facilities also became increasingly complex. It is impossible for humans to oversee, analyze, define actions, and intervene on everything that is happening in a process facility to maintain sufficiently stable, efficient, and cost-effective process conditions. Advanced decision-making support, where possible automated, using all available digital facility data will bring us a step closer to the end goal."
Yokogawa co-innovates with our customers to accelerate the IA2IA journey. Empower your plant to run, learn, adapt, and thrive in tomorrow's environment. Yokogawa, co-innovating tomorrow.